That's some good old blues. Going all the way back to Robert Johnson. Figured I would kind of modernize it a little bit with steadying out some of the rhythm. I don't think that works quite as well on piano as it does in guitar, having that more freer style. But it's all there. It's pretty impressive how it's all there all the way back in 1936, 1937. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed and catch you on the next one.